buddy just patched the hole we got in his boat from going backwards down the creek. Just fixed this. The head came off with, they only had this metal wedge down long ways. So I got the head off without even taking the wedge out. And then I had to trim the top of the handle down so I could get a hold of the wedge and pull it out. Then I drove a piece of hardwood down in the middle and turned the metal wedge the other way. It's ready to go. It's nice and sharp already. Also trying to work on an axe handle. This is the old one. It's from me trying to drill the hell out of it to get it off. But this new handle is going to take some serious work for me to get the head back on it. Picking away at it, but it's got, I don't know how it's going to work. Going to try it though. It's close. Stay tuned. I really like the shape of this particular axe though. It's from me trying to beat it off the handle. Okay. See y'all.